Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Who doesn't love pie? We all do. And I want to show you this awesome pie plate. So this is from Pyrex and this is the Easy Grab. This is a 9.5-inch pie plate. It's like a standard pie size, but this is really nice because it is the Easy Grab version. So it has this really nice wide lip. So it's super easy to get it out of the oven. And it's also really easy when you're like transporting it, taking it to someone's house. It's got a really easy way to hold it without dropping it. So that's important. You don't want to drop your pie. So I love this. I love that it's glass. It's very simple and so durable. I have lots of Pyrex products. They last forever and they just keep on going. So if you're looking for a basic pie dish, then you can't go wrong with Pyrex. I would definitely recommend this one. It's durable, it's strong, it's easy to use, it's easy to grip. That's my point of view.